Alright guys, thank you and welcome to RCCB Electrical Solutions. Before I proceed, make sure you subscribe to my channel kindly, and please subscribe to my channel so that I can get another opportunity to make several videos to enlighten you guys related on power installation or electrical installations. And also don't forget to hit that like button so that my video can get uh, many options to other people like you who need this knowledge. So today I will talk about an RCCB. Okay, RCCB. Let me show you where it is written, if you can see. Okay, here. I don't know if you can see, it is written RCCB. Now, the RCCB, what does it mean? It means the residual current circuit breaker. The residual current circuit breaker. Now, this gadget here, even if it's expensive, but it can help you from going to see your creator. What do I mean? I mean this gadget here can help you from dying with electricity. So it's better you install this gadget. Why? Number one, it protects you from being electrocuted. Okay, electrocuted. Now this gadget here, it works this way. It senses where there is arc leakage. Okay, so if you touch a live cable, so this gadget will automatically sense that the power has leaked from its terminal or from its channel to the ground. Now the only thing it will do, it will cut that power. Now if that cable that has already touched you will do what? The power will go off and the power will leave you. It will that cable will detach from you from dying. So many guys or so many electricians or any other person or any other client of yours will like to know how this gadget works. Oh, I fear electricity, but this gadget have you covered. Now if you have not installed this on your CCU, make sure you find that electrician or that technician of yours so that it can install this gadget for you. It prevents you from dying premature death with electricity, guys. This gadget here, okay, it is very important, very important. In fact, when you are doing a wiring, leave alone even the double pole 63 amps double pole DP, make sure you install this one instead. Okay, you will thank me later, and thank you and bye bye. Thank you. Follow RCCB Electrical Solutions for more videos like these ones. Bye.